everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for ubaba Themba Ndaba, known as ubaba omncane uBrutus, umuntu ke obethanda ukuyiya laphana ke ebusha with the Queen. Yesterday ubaba Themba Ndaba surprised his fans by sharing pictures of his wife for the first time. Basibembongela abantu abaningi including his son with uSophie Ndaba. Abanye ke mentioning ukuthi kubona bamthatha nje serious, bavele bamcabange kwi character yakhe lapha yana ke ka Brutus akade idlala phana with the Queen. So guys, ubaba ke uThemba Ndaba ubhale this message wathi Mandaba and Ndaba, wathi Mr and Mrs Ndaba, wesefaka ke a love emoji kanye ke ne ring. Basibembongela ke abantu ke basho ukuthi ke congratulations, wathi omunye mina baba Ndaba ngiyaxolisa, but mangikubona nje ngivele ngicabange uBrutus uma esethi ke uya ebusha. Basibeya commenta namanye ke ama celebrity njengo Lerato Mvelase, but it's so beautiful you too. Then ke kwase commenta ke no Sisuthembisa noMuthembisile Madu okade dlala indawo kaPetronella, wathi suka madoda kwakuhle kwethu. So yeah guys, omunye ke ocommentile lapha yana indodana yakhe ke noSophie Ndaba yathi ke congratulations baba, wesethi ke uyabonga ke to his son. So yeah guys, injalo ke indaba kababa ke uThemba Ndaba. Themba Ndaba guys has maintained a reputation yakhe for being highly private about his personal life, even during umshado wakhe ke noSophie Ndaba. The two kept their relationship mostly out of the spotlight. Their separation in 2013 marked a new chapter for both, with Themba likely staying away from sharing details about his romantic life. But ke bakithi manje 2023, we can look forward to see more of his wife on social media. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below guys, and let's celebrate with the Ndaba family. Bye.